This is Herman, and he's a guinea pig. Now, small animals like Herman are also available for adoption at the shelter. If you're wondering if this little guy would be the right fit for your family, our next story is for you because it's about all the wonderful world of guinea pigs. Guinea pigs are one of the most popular household pets available, and it's not hard to see why. Their cute looks, relaxed temperament, and ease of caring make them perfect for all animal lovers.
My name is Emily Korf. This is Sriracha Sauce, and she is a guinea pig that belongs to the Fairfax County Animal Shelter, and we are fostering her here at our house. She's actually very sweet. She likes just sitting with you. My younger daughter is quite the reader. She's 11 years old, and she enjoys just sitting on the bed, and she puts the guinea pig on her lap and she reads for hours.
Guinea pigs do not eat meat. They typically eat processed pellets made from alfalfa hap or timothy hap and vitamins and minerals that they need to be healthy. They also eat veggies and fruits.
So I get them some lettuce, some parsley, some peppers, and cilantro. And then I give them cucumber. So cucumber doesn't have a lot of nutrition, but it has a lot of water. So it's good for them. So you'll hear all of this noise, and then all of a sudden, it'll stop once they get their food.
Guinea pigs are energetic pets, and they are diurnal, which means they will be awake during the day and asleep at night, just like you. Your guinea pig will become very attached to you as their pet parent, and because they're social animals, it's preferred that they're paired with a companion of the same gender. Guinea pigs aren't as active as mice or hamsters, but they do make certain noises and movements that are fun to watch and important to understand.
And they do this thing called popcorning. So popcorning is when they're really excited and they kind of run and they kick their butt up in the air. And it like popcorn pops, that's why they call it that. So when they're really happy when they're gonna eat, you'll see them popcorning.
When you first bring your guinea pig home, he's likely to feel stressed by the transition to an unfamiliar environment. You can ease your guinea pig's stress by following a few simple steps. There are 13 breeds of guinea pigs, and they can be distinguished by their coat: smooth, short, kinked, cow-licked, or curly. If you see a guinea pig in your future, stop by the shelter and take one home with you today.